Imagine wearing a pair of glasses that can translate languages, answer your questions with AI, and display useful information right before your eyes. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. In today's video, we'll reveal the most advanced AI smart glasses of 2026 that are transforming the future of wearable technology. Let's dive in. Meta Ray-Ban Display. Meta Ray-Ban Display smart glasses represent the next generation of wearable AI, combining stylish everyday eyewear with powerful augmented reality features. Designed through the partnership between Meta and Ray-Ban, these glasses project useful digital information directly onto a discrete in-lens display, allowing you to see notifications, translations, navigation, and AI-powered suggestions without constantly checking your phone. One of the most impressive innovations is Meta's EMG wristband controller, which recognizes subtle finger and hand movements for effortless, touch-free interaction. Built-in cameras, microphones, and open-ear speakers let users capture photos, make calls, listen to audio, and communicate. XREAL R1. XREAL R1 AR gaming glasses are built for players who want a powerful gaming experience without carrying a large display. Created through a collaboration between Asus Republic of Gamers and XREAL, these lightweight glasses project a massive virtual screen that feels like having a giant gaming monitor right in front of your eyes. The advanced micro-OLED display delivers an ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh rate with incredibly low latency, making fast-paced games feel more responsive and immersive. Electrochromic lenses automatically adjust to different lighting conditions, while built-in spatial audio adds depth to every game. With simple USB-C connectivity, Qwen AI Glasses. Qwen AI glasses bring the power of artificial intelligence into everyday life with a smart and practical design. Developed within Alibaba's AI ecosystem, these glasses are available in different versions to suit both immersive AR experiences and lightweight daily use. An intelligent in-lens display presents translations, navigation, notifications, and helpful AI responses only when needed, keeping your view clean and natural. Powered by the advanced Qwen AI model, the glasses can recognize objects, answer questions, translate conversations in real time, and provide instant information through simple voice commands. High-quality Even Reality's G2. Even Reality's G2 smart glasses prove that advanced technology does not have to look futuristic. At first glance, they resemble a normal pair of glasses, but inside they feature a discrete dual micro-LED waveguide display that delivers useful information without overwhelming your vision. Instead of focusing on entertainment, the G2 is designed for productivity, showing notifications, navigation, translations, meeting prompts, and AI-powered assistance in a simple and distraction-free way. A unique advantage is its privacy-first approach, with no built-in cameras or speakers, making it ideal for professional environments. Lightweight titanium construction ensures all-day comfort, while Bluetooth connectivity allows Rocket AI Glasses Style. Rocket AI Glasses Style combine elegant everyday eyewear with intelligent AI features in a lightweight and comfortable design. Instead of relying on a traditional display, these glasses focus on voice interaction, smart cameras, and advanced AI assistance to simplify daily tasks. Built-in microphones and a high-resolution camera allow users to capture hands-free photos, record videos, recognize objects, and receive real-time information about their surroundings. Voice commands make it easy to access translations, navigation, messaging, and AI-powered answers without reaching for a smartphone. The lightweight frame is designed for long hours of comfortable wear. RayNeo X3 Pro. RayNeo X3 Pro takes wearable augmented reality to the next level by combining powerful hardware with intelligent AI features in a sleek titanium frame. Its full-color micro-LED waveguide display projects bright digital content directly into your field of view, creating the feeling of a large floating screen while keeping you aware of the real world. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon AR platform, the glasses deliver smooth performance for navigation, translation, productivity, and interactive AR experiences. Dual cameras enable spatial mapping. RayNeo X3 Pro. RayNeo X3 Pro takes wearable augmented reality to the next level by combining powerful hardware with intelligent AI features in a sleek titanium frame. Its full-color micro-LED waveguide display projects bright digital content directly into your field of view, creating the feeling of a large floating screen while keeping you aware of the real world. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon AR platform, the glasses deliver smooth performance for navigation, translation, productivity, and interactive AR experiences. Dual cameras enable spatial mapping, object recognition, and hands-free. INMO Air 3. INMO Air 3 brings a true all-in-one augmented reality experience by combining a powerful standalone system with an elegant wearable design. Unlike many smart glasses that rely entirely on a connected phone, the Air 3 can run Android applications directly, giving users access to navigation, messaging, streaming, and productivity tools from a virtual display floating in front of their eyes. A bright Sony micro-OLED binocular display creates the feeling of a massive personal screen while maintaining a lightweight and comfortable fit. The glasses also feature a high-quality ultra-wide camera for hands-free photos and stabilized video recording. Lucid Time's Reebok Smart Glasses. Lucid Time's Reebok Smart Glasses combine sporty design with practical AI features, creating smart eyewear that fits naturally into everyday life. Built to look and feel like regular glasses, they feature open-ear Bluetooth speakers that let you enjoy music, answer calls, and interact with voice assistants while remaining aware of your surroundings. Advanced noise-reducing microphones deliver clear conversations even in busy environments, while touch controls make it easy to manage calls, audio, and smart features with a simple tap. The intelligent hinge automatically powers the glasses on when opened and off when folded, helping extend battery life throughout the day. They also support prescription lenses, making them suitable for both work and daily wear. By blending